This is a 2019 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic. A fantastic touring bike. If you're looking to go for a long trip cross country or cross state or wherever, this is the bike for you. The color is Wicked Red and Barracuda Silver. Both metallic colors that just jump right out when they're in the sunlight. This bike is in like-new condition. There's no chips, no scratches, no scuffs. Just a super great looking bike in excellent condition. It has only 5,295 original miles on the odometer. It's equipped with the 107 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine, mated to a 6-speed transmission. It does, being the Ultra Classic, it does not have the liquid cooling into the heads. Instead, it has an oversized oil cooler. A little less plumbing, a lot less to go wrong with it. In place of where the radiators were on, say, an Ultra Limited, these are glove boxes now, like they used to have on an Ultra Classic. It's equipped with Harley Davidson chrome short arm adjustable highway pegs. Big comfortable seat for the rider and the passenger. The Harley Davidson detachable rider's backrest has been added. It also has the security system with 2 keys, 2 fobs, ABS brakes. Just a great looking two-tone. The Harley Davidson chrome luggage rack has been added, so you can pack a little extra gear on the bike. Along with it is a headset for the rider, and of course the owner's manuals. LED lights in the back of the TourPak. Gives this bike great visibility. Here's the other glove box right here. Now it is equipped with the GTS Boom stereo system, which is a full color touchscreen. It has AM, FM, weather band, Bluetooth. It also has GPS. There's a little compartment right here to where you can put your iPod or your phone to integrate your music directly into the system, or you can Bluetooth it in and control it with either the touch screen or the hand controls. A nice contrast cut Harley Davidson windshield trim has been added, and also a 10-inch flared Harley Davidson windshield. LED headlight, LED driving lights. Just a beautiful, beautiful two-tone Harley touring bike. Pack your gear and your passenger on this bike and head to Seattle or the East Coast or wherever, and do it in style and comfort, and have plenty of power to pull you and your gear, and power to pass, pull the hills. Of course, it does have cruise control. market for a new touring bike for this up-and-coming spring and summer riding season, take a good look at this 2019 Ultra Classic. It's in like-new condition with low miles, great two-tone color, all the right accessories. Don't get stuck paying MSRP and setup charges and freight charges and dock fees and title fees and all the other mystery fees dealerships seem to add on to the purchase of your new bike. Save yourself thousands of dollars. Call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.